this evening can make us all think, bounce back to the truth, also drive us towards reality. The moment I was being invited to the dais, Gita Bhagatji was telling, Swamiji was being invited to the dais, movie dais first time. In my perception, the movie contributes triple E. Triple E, one E is entertainment. The second E is education. Third E is enlightenment. If a movie is restricted for an entertainment, that's just you throw some bucks and get a popcorn and have a relaxed chair and you enjoy it, come back. If the movie contributes the second E, that is education, then your brain starts thinking. But if a movie contributes enlightenment, your heart beats goes up. What we feel here, all the three E's are working the same velocity, same frequency. The moment you sit and the moment the picture opens till the last shot of the picture, everyone's heart, I think, it beats. You need to have a BP checking measurement, system. Then you can see how the heart beats. And we all accept that Kashmir is a part of India. But I personally consider Kashmir is not mere part of India, it is the head of India. Once something happens to my leg or my hand, I can survive. If something happens to my head, the whole system will collapse. After 75 years, now our head injury was being operated successfully by two surgeons, that is Narendra Modi ji and Amit Shah ji. If that surgery would have not taken place, and I consider he is the best physician, Vivek Agnihotri ji, who had really given a good concept towards Kashmir. And if I consider Kashmir is my head, and the minorities, so-called Pandits in Kashmir, they are the medulla oblongata of the head. And if something happens to that, the entire body has to respond. It's not mere someone who is sitting in Delhi has to respond. And हर गली में कश्मीर फाइल्स को आगे बढ़ाने के लिए हर आने वाले पीढ़ियों को इसको दिखाना ही है. ये बाहुबली से भी या पुष्पा से भी या बाकी जो भी शोले से भी, this is the real story of the Kashmir and which is the head of our India, our nation. And one more thing I am telling you, now that I am in India, the debate has to start. Left education versus right education. I stand for right education. All you for right education? And I am telling you, left is over. And whatever left over will be over in future. I really consider that. Left is over. Whatever left over also will be over in near future. 24, I think it will be completely over. अभी आने वाले 2 साल है बस. 2 साल ऑपरेशन में वो भी जो भी खत्म होना है वो भी खत्म हो जाएंगे. And the moment I just spoke to Vivek ji said the education and media, and they are the main pillars that plays a role. Education is corrupt. If media is also corrupt, then no citizen can learn the truthfulness of their land. Bhagavan Ramji has said one thing, Janani Janma Bhumischa Swargadapi Gariyasi. That's where that great personality, Pandit Kashmir Pandit, she feels that my motherland should be safe. Even though she feels she is safe somewhere running away from the Kashmir, every day when she wakes up until she goes to bed, the soul prays that my motherland should be safe. That is the attachment for the motherland, the native land. That's why Ramji is still remembered by all of us. Janani Janmabhumischa. My mother can be killed, but my motherland should not be killed. So my motherland is taken care properly. And I think Article 370 and CAA, all these things are not just mere a parliament bill that is passed. I consider it is a Brahmastra that has been released by the parliament, and it should be protected. And finally, I want to say one thing. If I want to reveal my pain, मेरा दर्द को अगर मैं सबके सामने बताना चाहता हूं, तो टुकड़ा गैंग का क्या दर्द है, उनके लिए क्या दर्द बचा है? What is the pain that they want to have in this? अगर मेरा दर्द को मैं सबके सामने खोल के दिखाना चाहता हूं, तो टुकड़ा गैंग को वो टुकड़ा टुकड़ा करने के लिए पड़ा है, तो उनके लिए क्या दर्द है? See, I want to reveal my pain. If you have something pain about it, okay, go to Pakistan. Or now if you want to go, one gentleman has given a good thing. Some flights are going from India to Ukraine to bring all our people back. So flights are going empty. So we all send these Tukada gang उस flight में बिठा के यूक्रेन में भेज देंगे and हमारा लोगों को वहाँ से वापस लेके आ जाएंगे. अगर ये ऐसा कुछ हो सकता है, तो ऑल गैंग पीपल को हम कुछ पैसा इकट्ठा करके वो फ्लाइट में उनको भर्ती करके यूक्रेन में छोड़ देंगे. वहाँ जाके टुकड़ा टुकड़ा करने का है या टुकड़ा टुकड़ा होने का है, लेट देम डिसाइड. सो व्हाट आई रियली फील, टुकड़े गैंग को फ्री में टिकट लेकर के फ्री पास, सो लेट देम एंजॉय द यूक्रेन ब्यूटी देयर. नाउ एट प्रेजेंट ओनली एक सप्ताह के लिए वो फ्री, आई थिंक वी कैन गिव देम डिस्काउंट फ्री एंड एवरीथिंग. सो ये लोगों का जो अब तक जो चला है टिल नाउ एंड रीसेंट पास्ट 1990, this is not the story, this is the history, and which was been like a mystery and kept in dark. And if Vivek Agnihotri ji and Abhishek ji and Pallavi ji and all these personalities, if they would have not dared to show this reality to the people, this would have been, upcoming ages, this would have been a dogma. And this would have been a dark secret. And terrorists would have taken a picture on this Kashmir files. And they would have shown something else, which is blah blah. Cock and bull stories we need to listen. All these years we were been listening. So now I sincerely request Vivek ji and Pallavi ji that we are waiting eagerly to see not mere Kashmir files, Bharat files. So we want Bharat files that we want from you, so that will be reserved in the history of the movie as a Ramayana and Mahabharata. And Agnihotri ji and Pallavi ji and Abhishek ji and the person who has really taken the initiation to play a heroic role in this, I really appreciate. I was hearing a question that don't you feel that you will be insecure if you play a movie on this and upcoming days? Then what I say, if insecurity lies when I speak truth, I just refer you, the great philosopher Brune was how he was being killed by a fanatic, lunatic, Semitic religion. So, no one can touch the truth. Truth prevails. So, our hero also prevails forever and forever. I pray Almighty that heroism should be portrayed on the screen, not just mere INAX, all OTT, all ATT, all platforms where this Kashmir file takes this hero better than Akshay Kumar or Hrithik Roshan or all these heroes who are there. I think we remember our Sushant Singh ji in this moment, that a great hero whom we have to respect all. So I really honor that this movie is something, it is a masterpiece that can really communicate to the globe, not for India, to the globe, the prestigious point of India. Sorry to say, I want the name to be changed immediately, Bharat. Bharat Mata Ki Jai.